Our goal for this beard grooming is to fade in from the sideburns into the cheekbone and tighten up for a sleeker appearance while keeping the mustache and chin area nice and full. Look for any scars, moles, and skin tags. Check for texture, density, and distribution. This will help you determine the proper course of action when providing the service. On your dominant side, use a trimmer at the sideburn to the mid-ear using light C-strokes. Turn your trimmer upside down and swipe through the cheekbones to begin your next transition. Using an adjustable blade clipper in the closed position, create another zone underneath the cheekbones. Progressively open the cutting blade as you continue to work your way down the beard. Use an electric foil shaver to bald out the area in between the sideburn and the cheekbone. Go with the grain to blend into the beard. Refine the area as needed. With your clipper in the open position, cut across the grain to remove minimal density, preserving any light areas in the beard. Adjust the lever as needed. Cut against the grain starting with your clipper open and working your way down to the closed position. Be mindful of growth patterns and low density areas. In this case, you may cut with or across the grain to preserve length. Attach a 1/16 inch guard to the clipper and continue blending. Use the clipper over comb technique to balance the shape from the cheek towards the chin area. Refine with scissor over comb. This will allow you to control the shape as you move towards the corner of the mouth. Outline the jawline to the desired shape, starting at the center, working towards the jawbone. Gently tap the outline and pull away for a clean perimeter. Outline the top of the mustache following the natural shape. Refine with scissor over comb. Repeat the same process on your non-dominant side. Once you've completed the opposite side, check for balance. Outline underneath the mustache following the natural shape of the lip. Refine the area as needed. Outline the top of the beard to the desired shape. With the clipper in the open position, swipe with the grain of the mustache to tighten up the area. Refine with a freehand scissor technique. Use Maverick blade slip to prep the skin for razor work. Begin outlining the top of the beard. Pull the skin taut with the opposite hand for greater control. Outline underneath the jawline. Resaturate the skin as needed. Apply Maverick beard oil to soften the beard and relax any stray hairs. Use a freehand scissor technique to refine and polish the beard. To enhance the beard, mix equal parts of Flashback, Dark Cool Neutral, and 10 Volume Developer, and apply using a small paintbrush. The idea is to bring out notable features with light touch-ups. Avoid oversaturating the area, which could be overwhelming to the overall appearance. Apply Maverick Cooling Aftershave to close the pores and help protect against irritation. Finally, apply Maverick Skin and Beard Lotion to tame the beard and moisturize the skin.